Hello and welcome to Current Issues with me, Tarun. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made it clear that his action against black money is not going to stop here and rather would continue even after December, where he hinted in Goa that real estate is also on his radar because a lot of black money is parked in real estate. In fact, buying a house itself is out of the dream or the reach of many Indians. But that apart, in his speeches in Goa and Ghazipur, he hinted that many rich are not happy with the decision, but the poor, even though they are facing hardship, are rejoicing. Let us see what is and talk about it in detail. There are problems with people waiting in queues, but is this necessary pain that we need to go through to ensure that the terror financing is avoided? Because Pakistan, as we know, has been pumping these fake notes into India for years now, and fake notes had in fact become a reality of life. With sometime or the other, when you visited the bank, you of course knew that okay, accidentally you too have got a 500 or 1,000 rupee fake note. So let us discuss this issue in detail today, and joining me for this discussion is Shama Mohammed, spokesperson of the Congress Party. I also have Sudesh Verma, spokesperson of the BJP, joining me, and Renu Mittal, senior journalist, who would join me in this discussion. I go across to Sudesh Verma for his opening comments. Two speeches. Okay, I'm going across to Shama Mohammed as Sudesh Verma connects. Shama Mohammed, two speeches made by the Prime Minister, one in Goa, today in Ghazipur. What message was he trying to send across, and what is the Congress Party's stance on this whole issue?
See, first and foremost, Congress Party is against black money. We really want to fight the menace. We are against it. But we also want to think about the people who are suffering the most, the rural area, the farmers. You have to understand 55% have bank accounts, not more than that. Out of that, around 10 to 20% are dormant accounts, which were started during the Jan Dhan Yojana of PM Narendra Modi. So the issue right now is we have a lot of farmers, poor people having 500 and 1,000 notes, and they do not have any identification. How are they going to change these notes? We always welcome, the Congress Party welcomes any step to fight black money, but there should be a method of implementation. You can't make people suffer the way it's been made right now. And Prime Minister has understood that the poor, the rural area, which constitute nearly 70% of our population, is suffering. So what he did is, he's of course what he does best, acting, dramatizing things, and acting as if he's almost in tears, and he's doing it for the people, and he has nothing, the people are the most important, he does not care for himself. So these are all lies, and people see through these lies. He should have thought, what would I do for the poor? I mean, I have people working under me itself, maids, drivers, they haven't been coming for work because they're all standing in the queue, and they come back and say, ma'am, we didn't get money today. We do not have money to give food to our children. So that's when we have to give money. But myself, it's difficult for me also to get money.
I get
since
your point.
We all have to stand in queues.
I'm going across to Sudesh Verma. Sudesh Verma, you've heard the points that the Congress spokesperson made. How do you react to those points, and also react to the Prime Minister's speech that this action against black money continues post-December and real estate is going to be on the radar?
You see, first of all, the Congress is trying to use poor people as shield, because whatever we have seen on television media, whatever we have seen through our own interaction, we don't find that the poor people are unhappy. They are of course going through inconvenience because they have to stand in queue. Sometimes the cash go out of reach because there is no cash in the bank. Is fine, these things are there, but ask them, they are very happy that someone in this country has taken action against the mighty people who have stashed black money. And that is why people are happy. People are saying that someone is there who has taken action, and it is only the Prime Minister Narendra Modi could do. What the Congress is saying is not true, because Modi ji has no vested interest. He does not belong to Lutyens Delhi, that he has a network in which he has to support them. He is coming straight and he is working for the country. And that is what he said yesterday and today also. And he has also said that why did the Congress not take action? The Congress had the chance.
So Sudesh has made an important point. In
see,
fact, I
let
don't
me-
know
let
what
me
he was
complete.
alluding
Let
to,
me-
but he said that the
let-
Prime
let me
Minister does
complete.
not
Can I-
belong to Lutyens Delhi, and that's true. He doesn't belong to Lutyens Delhi and the clique here. But anyways, we'll show you the statement made by the Prime Minister, and then Shama Mohammed would like to rebut. The Prime Minister's statement come for you.
जो राजनीतिक दल बहुत परेशान है, उनको चिंता सता रही है, अब करे क्या? वो नोटों की मालाएं, ऐसी ऐसी मालाएं लगती थी, मुंडी भी दिखती नहीं थी। अगर उत्तर प्रदेश 2014 के चुनाव में पूर्ण बहुमत वाली सरकार बनाने में मदद न करता, तो भाइयों बहनों, न कोई भ्रष्टाचारियों को चिंता होती, न काले धन वालों को चिंता होती। ये आपके वोट की ताकत है कि गरीब चैन की नींद सो रहा है और अमीर नींद की गोलियां खरीदने के लिए बाजार में चक्कर काट रहा है। जनता की चिंता करने वाली कांग्रेस, ये मुझे बताए, आपने तो 19 महीने आपातकाल लगा करके, इमरजेंसी ला करके इस देश को जेल खाना बना दिया। क्या ये सारा काम आपने भ्रष्टाचार को खत्म करने के लिए किया था? क्या आपने गरीबों की भलाई के लिए किया था? देश को याद है इलाहाबाद की श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी को पार्लियामेंट मेंबर से हटा दिया, कानून हटा दिया, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके प्रधानमंत्री इंदिरा गांधी।
So as it seems, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statements reasoning it to the people. People relate to what he is saying on the issue of black money, though there is a certain amount of pain that people are also going through due to the serpentine queues that we see everywhere, cash running out of 2 lakh ATMs, they say 1 lakh 20,000 have been filled, 80,000 have not been filled. There are issues. Amidst all this, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has said that hospitals will have to accept checks that patients or their family members want to give. Has it been happening? We'll discuss that in a short while. But Shama Mohammed wanted to comment. Shama, you wanted to make a point.
Yeah, I want to make a point is that first, this black money in cash is only 6% of the black money. The rest is in property, bullions, Swiss bank accounts, gold. So if they really want to fight this black money, why was the Prime Minister quiet on the Panama Papers? This is really, for me, something which is very stunning, because that has got a lot of black money abroad. There's a lot of Indian black money abroad, and why he did not take any action against that black money, which is the Panama Papers. He was completely quiet. He did not do, because his friends are involved there. He will not take on his friends. He only takes on the poor. That's what he does.
Okay. I'm going across to Sudesh Verma. Now, Sudesh
And
Verma,
hospitals are not taking
is your point, Shama.
taking the
Sudesh
500,000
Verma wants to
notes.
come in. Sudesh
I've
Verma, two
experienced it
questions.
myself when I took my son the other day.
Sudesh
Tarun,
Verma, you respond to Shama,
Tarun, you see-
one, and
Tarun, you
second,
see-
I would like to
Tarun,
ask you.
Tarun, yes, yes.
You respond to Shama. Second, this black money or this
Yeah.
cash definitely breaks the back of terror financing, at least in the medium term. Long term, I wouldn't know, but at least momentarily it breaks the back. How would you see the Congress party's line that they are criticizing your move on this, but they say you don't act on Panama Papers? Or do you think they should be welcoming both? They should be saying that this is good, but we expect
one minute, Tarun, we are not
Tarun,
criticizing
let me-
we are not
let me-
criticizing,
Tarun,
I just want to
let
say,
me
we are not
clarify.
criticizing against
Tarun, let
fighting
me-
black
Tarun,
money.
let me-
We are
Tarun, let the
criticizing the way
Congress
it's been
spokesperson-
implemented.
let
The
the
way it's
That's what
being
I understand.
implemented. I get your point,
Earlier
Shama.
also she
I'll
interrupted
allow
me.
Sudesh to
Let her
rebut.
have some patience to listen to what I have to say.
You have to understand that we are
Yeah.
against
You see,
black
it's
money.
not a question
Do
of
not
rebuttal.
say that we are not
let me
against that. We are
clarify.
against black money.
Let me clarify, Tarun. for the benefit of your viewers, let me clarify it for the benefit of your viewers, that Narendra Modi ji has no friends, no enemies. He is working for the country. Even if somebody in the party has committed wrong, action will be taken against him. We are not like Congress that will support one party and not the other. The action is against everyone. Whoever is having black money, whoever is tax cash is going to suffer.
So what
It's
have you
not
ta- what
an
action
action
is
against the
taken
Congress
against
or
Shivraj
the
Singh
BSP
Chauhan?
or Arvind
What has been
Kejriwal.
taken
Why are
against
they crying?
Shivraj
Why are
Singh
they
Chauhan
crying?
for
If they don't
Vyapam?
have black
I would
money,
like to
why are
know,
they crying?
what is the
They have
action?
systematically
What have you done against
looted the
Vasundhara
country
Raje for the
last
mining
60
scam?
years. Coming from GP
So-
scandal to various scandals.
Then
that
shall
have-
we
that
forget
have
Lalit
afflicted the
Gate
country.
with
It's
Sushma
only the
Swaraj?
Congress
What
that has
about
made
all those
money.
scams and
that is why they are
corruptions?
crying.
Nothing has
Now
been
coming
done.
to
They're
the
all
terror
being
angle. You
kept
see,
quiet,
nobody
under the
should-
carpet.
Nobody should be seen as supporting Pakistan on the issue of terrorism. We have in one step. We have
Who is supporting
completely
Pakistan?
obliterated
Who supports
the issue of
Pakistan?
fake currency that was afflicting our country. Does the Congress not understand this?
Obliterated. Then why is the 2,000 rupees not come back into the market?
To oppose us. That should not be an alibi. When Jio issues SIM, there is a long queue, kilometer queue. You don't speak a word.
So,
but for people trying to convert
why
their
did you
money
introduce
to
2,000
bank,
rupees?
you
Can
have
you
a
tell me
reason
that?
to complain.
Why have
People
you
are not
introduced
complaining.
2,000
It's the
rupees?
Congress and the friends
You
in
said
politics
that you would
who are
put a
complaining.
chip into that to
Tarun,
see if there is further black money being done with 2,000 rupees. Tell me why the 2,000 rupees has been introduced.
Who has said that?
If you
This
want
is
to
all
demonetize,
fiction.
you
These are
keep
all
500. That's what is demonetizing.
fiction.
There is no demonetizing here when you have
Don't
introduced
create
2,000
panic.
rupees.
Don't create panic. Don't create panic. Everyone knows.
Panic? Who is
Every
creating
channel
panic?
has
You have created
investigated.
panic with people having no money to eat and drink. That is the panic. You have forgotten
Shama, I
that
get your
we
point.
are 70%
Shama,
rural.
I want to come
you
in
only
here.
think about the
Sudesh, just
corporate.
come in. Shama, I get your point. What you are saying, you support the government on demonetization. You disagree on the implementation, the way it's implemented. Am I getting it right?
Narendra Modi
You
ji doesn't
support
have
the
Definitely, yes. We disagree on the implementation.
So you
This
thought
is not the way to implement.
So you are saying the implementation would have been well thought of, but you agree with the principle the government has done this, you support the government on this. Sudesh Verma, I would like you to respond.
We agree on the principle to fight black money with anybody. We are not agreeing on the principle of the method at all. We are agreeing on fighting black money.
Okay,
But
I take
this
your
is
point.
not
But
the
Shama,
method
there
of
is a
fighting
point
black money.
when
This is
your
not the way
government
to
was
fight
in
black
power or
money.
the
This has
UPA.
made our people suffer a lot.
Okay, I take your point, Shama, but your government too was power, as in the UPA government
People
was
are
in
not
power
suffering,
between
Samaj.
2004
The Congress
and
that is
14,
suffering.
and
It's the
measures
friends
were
of Congress
delayed.
that is suffering.
We all know
We have
that the
also- we are
Supreme
in touch
Court
with
had
the people.
asked for an
We are the
SIT on
largest
black
party
money
in
and
the
many
world.
of us
We are in
reported
touch
it.
with
I can't hear anything because he's coming in. Tarun, I cannot hear your question because there's somebody talking in between. So I really
let
can't
Sudesh
hear
coming
what
in,
you're
then I'll
saying.
ask my question. Sudesh, you wanted to make a point. Please do. Please go ahead.
I was saying, Tarun, it's
overexcited.
not the people. Congress is using people as alibis, as a shield to hide their own. You don't think about how it is being implemented. We have taken precaution. We could not have, told everything in advance so that the secrecy element was
What
not there.
precautions have you
Congress should
taken?
worry about its own money, how they are going to give account for that. Don't worry about the people. We are capable of taking care of
Your
people.
people knew about it. You have hidden your money. The BJP has hidden what have you done with your money?
Nobody
You've
knows
all
your
exchanged
fiction of
everything
imagination.
before you
It's
let
your
everybody
fiction.
else know.
It's your imagination.
What happened
It's
in
your
West
imagination.
Bengal?
We can't help when you imagine like this.
It's a fiction. What was that in
The
West
way you
Bengal?
imagine
Was
plight
that
of people,
fiction?
the way you
It's there in the
imagine people are
newspapers.
opposed to this book.
It's not my
People are
imagination.
welcome.
Okay, but I'm digressing.
It
but I
doesn't
have to
matter.
ask
You
a
also
question
deposit.
from
Doesn't matter.
Shama,
It's
I want to
accounted
know
money.
two things.
Whether you deposit one day before or one day later doesn't matter.
Shama,
if it is accounted money, you should not worry. You go and deposit 3,000 crore. If it is accounted money, it's fine.
So you are Shama is principally opposing the issue only on one count. She supports demonetization or replacing of the rupee. It's not demonetization. Let's not call it that. It's replacing of the currency.
No, but it's not been demonetized. Tarun, it has not been demonetized. Demonetization doesn't mean you will have 2,000 rupees. You have to understand that.
That's
It's
what I'm
not
telling.
been
It's
demonetized.
replacement of currency. If I'm not wrong, it's replacement of currency.
So don't call it demonetization. We have to remove this thing called demonetization. There has not been any demonetization. So let's just stop using that word called demonetization.
Okay, I'm going across to Sudesh. Sudesh,
RBI does this. You know that RBI keeps changing, impounding the old currencies,
Of course
old
it
numbers, and they put in new. That's nothing new.
No, but it's unprecedented.
It's done. This is what has been
unprecedented
done right
that
now.
it
And
is
then they put out these shock and awe called demonetization.
Okay, okay, Sudesh, would you
This is
want to
just a
come in?
shock and awe treatment, nothing else.
Sudesh, would you want to come in on this?
You see, these terminologies are not important.
Where is, I would
What
like to
is
ask Sudesh, Mr.
important
Sudesh,
the
where is
substance. The
demonetization
substance
here?
is that
Well, demonetization means like in Europe, you have maximum of
all
500
old
euro note.
denominations of
But
500
where
and
is
1000,
demonetization
they
here?
have been
You don't have-
demonetized,
tell me-
irrespective of the number.
Yeah,
The
then
new notes
RBI
will
does
be
it.
issued.
The RBI
So those
does
will
it
be valid.
anyway.
These notes are invalid. So we have launched a
Why have you
frontal
issued
attack
2,000
on black
rupees
money.
note?
That
Why
should
have
be
you issued
welcome.
2,000 rupees note? No, tell me, why have you issued? Now, after 6 months, what is your plan? Why can't people use this 2,000 rupee note as black money?
If you have
It's
the
a high
patience-
denomination
if you have
note
the
again.
patience,
But
I'm
Shama,
ready to
I have
explain.
a
Why have
basic
you
question to
introduced
ask
you have
you.
the
Shama, the
patience, I'm ready
rationale
to
that was
explain.
being given is people who have accumulated cash over the years, and there are many such people. Now they will have to disclose, and all this money will be pumped into the banking system. The banking system will have about 5.5 lakh crores. It will lead to the economy moving. New loans can be given because this money will be accounted for. People will have to pay taxes. And what about the counterfeit money that gets weeded out? Don't you think that as a whole, this will help?
But that counterfeit is always weeded out. Okay, counterfeit is always weeded out by the RBI changing, is it?
I mean, I'm
Impounding
getting
old
Renu
notes and putting new
Mittal.
series.
I'm getting
That's
Renu
been
Mittal,
done for
senior
years.
journalist
It's
into the
nothing
debate,
new.
Shama. Renu Mittal, I would like to ask you, as Steve Jobs of Apple said, that it is bitter pill, but the patient needed it. Do you think that the current currency replacement or demonetization is a bitter pill, but the patient, as in our country, needed this? What's your view?
I certainly agree it's a bitter pill, but the problem is it's a wrong pill. Instead of getting better, the patient is gone into coma and most likely to die. The poor are dying, the rich are unhappy, the traders are on the warpath, the people don't have money. I'm in debt, complete debt, from my grocer to my chemist to my mechanic, everybody, because looking at those banks and those lines is so scary. I'm having to fight a battle every day to get my own money, and I'm a good God-fearing taxpayer who believes that that once I paid the tax and I'm a honest law-abiding
Renu, I take
citizen,
your point, but
that
Renu,
money is mine. But certainly, I don't think so. My point is, please listen to me for 1 minute. My point is that the government has all the wherewithal at its disposal to catch the crooks and the thieves and the black marketeers and the hoarders and all those who are indulging in black money. Why don't they exercise that? We have seen a very small percentage of that money is with these guys. Put them in jail, browbeat them, do whatever you like, but don't harass the ordinary honest guy on the street who is just trying to
I
live
think-
a decent life.
Okay, I take your point. I think
in the best
Sudesh
way
would
that
like
he
to
can.
respond to you on this. Sudesh, would you like to respond to Renu, or should I go to Shama on this? Sudesh wants to respond. Yes, Sudesh.
Yes, yes, Tarun, you see, Tarun, I too have not been able to go to the bank and collect cash. I can understand the difficulties faced by the common man, but the issue which the country is facing because of black money is
But he's
the
not a
system
common
has
man.
been eaten by the termite. So you need remedies, you need remedies that
What
that
is the
are going to
remedy,
give you
Sudesh?
solutions.
What is the remedy?
And many countries have experimented with demonetization, and it has
I
been
can give you the
successful.
remedy.
You must know that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the founder of the Indian Constitution, the father of the Indian Constitution, he used to say that every 10 years money should be demonetized, because that is the way to control black money. For the last 40 years, Congress and other parties
We
have
have no
amassed
problem
wealth.
with
Other
money.
people have amassed wealth. So what is the way to deal with this? Demonetization is one issue through which we
We
are
are
trying
all
to unearth.
against
Why should
black
people
money.
have problem?
There is
People
no
are facing
problem.
problem.
Don't use the
but
word
they are supporting the move.
demonetization, please.
People are
There
facing
is
problem.
There is no.
I'm facing problem,
with
but I'm supporting the move,
demonetization. There is
because
no
it's going to be
problem
good
with
But
for the
one
country.
thing we must
being
give
exchanged.
credit that
Yeah,
the
you
BJP
are rich, Sudesh. You
When
can
the
use your
government-
cards.
Shama,
You can
Shama,
use
I have a
debit
question
cards.
for
You can
you.
use.
There is
You
a
have your
problem.
credit card. You can do
Shama,
online
government does
shopping.
not
Shama, I have a
take-
question.
You can
I
do
can't-
online
I can't
shopping,
pay to-
Sudesh.
I can't pay to
Renu,
my
Renu,
maiden
I'll
card.
allow you
I
to
can't
come
pay
in
to my
just
maiden
1
card.
minute, otherwise we
I
can't
can't pay to my maiden
discuss
card.
if
I can't pay for
everybody
my
keeps on
tea
speaking.
card.
Shama,
If
let-
I have tea outside,
Sudesh,
or
let-
some
let-
samosas
allow- please
outside,
allow
I
Shama
cannot
to
pay
come
in
in.
card. I have to pay in cash. I don't have.
Sudesh,
Mr. Sudesh can have tea at
Shama, I
home.
want to
He
ask
doesn't
you a
have to have tea
political
outside.
question.
He can use
Sudesh,
his
just
card
wait
to
for a
pay
bit.
for his tea.
Shama, I want to ask you a political
Why I go
question.
outside? No, I go outside to
The
take
talk in Delhi, also in the political circles, is BJP has acted against its own electorate. There has to be strong reasons for doing that. If you say that a lot of the trader community indeed supports the BJP, by doing this, hasn't the BJP actually taken decisions that will not go down well with its own electorate? Don't you think that this is indeed something that should be commended? I mean, this is what is being talked of. I want a political answer from you. This was a political point.
No, but they have a lot of the. No, there are a lot of their people who support them are corporates, the rich. They do not care. See, till now the MSP is very, very low. I mean, they have not yet done. They haven't done anything about the minimum support price. They don't care about the farmers. You have to understand that. They have credit cards, debit cards. They can use all those things. But the poor people are really hit by this. You know, it's a very, very difficult scenario right now. Now, the way you could have done this, you could have given time from the time Mr. Modi announced it, that day to December 30th. You could have asked all these people who have got 500 and 1,000 notes to deposit in the banks. And the time is December 30th. Now, if anybody is depositing beyond their means, it would be disproportionate assets. So they could, you know, they could tally it with your bank account. So at least everybody's got time and nobody is rushing to ATMs and people have money in their hands to do things. This is one way of doing it. You were asking, what is the other way of doing it?
I get your point, Shama. You've made your point. I'm going to cross to Renu
but
Mittal.
that's the critical, like she said, it's in coma. It is in coma right now.
Okay,
it is a
Renu
critical
Mittal,
thing. That is
demonetization.
implementation
I
is the
want to
most
ask
important
Renu
thing.
Mittal.
How do you
She's a senior
implement
journalist. Let me
something
get Renu
when you
Mittal
have
in.
1 point?
Shama, let me get Renu Mittal. Renu Mittal, ma'am, I would like to ask you two questions. Demonetization has happened earlier, around 31 years ago, 32 years ago it happened. This is the second time that it's happening, and if it's happening now,
Yeah, 78.
78 if I'm not wrong, and for a good reason that it's happening. It happened in 78, it is happening now. The extent of 500,000, 5,000 rupee notes then I was told was around 80 crores. Now it's to the extent of 13-14 lakh crore. The quantum is more. The exercise is too intensive. Don't you think a little amount of pain will happen when such huge exercises are undertaken? Or otherwise, how are we to get rid of the counterfeit currency? Don't you think it's a very tough task? If we do take such an exercise, then the printing presses that have been set up across the border.
You've asked a question.
Okay, please.
You've asked a question. Yes, please ask. Please, 1 minute.
Yes.
You've asked a question. There is nobody has anything against demonetization. Nobody has anything against notes being exchanged. But there has to be, due diligence has to be done. A government has to be prepared. It's a country of a quarter, billion people, and they are people who are out on the street now without any money, without any food, and living on credit. The point is that you should have made till today the 500 rupee note is not visible. The ATMs are not geared to bringing out the 2000 and the 500 because the weight is different. The entire structure of the note is different. Now the government should have, instead of doing full drama overnight, midnight announcement, 2 hours you give the people, then everything will shut down. We are standing in long queues. Make preparations. Don't be in such a hurry, Mr. Prime Minister. Nobody. I am saying go after the guys with the black money. Many of them are your friends. You have allowed them to escape the country. You have allowed them to have bank accounts. Over the last 2.5 years of this government, ask the government how much of increase has taken place in sending money abroad to be stashed away.
I take your point.
Legally.
I'll allow Sudesh to respond.
These are the
You've made
changes
your
in
point.
the law.
Sudesh
Please
Verma, would you want to respond?
Please find out.
Yes, Tarun. Yes, Tarun. Yes, Tarun. You see, I told you and I am reiterating that once you become Prime Minister, you should have no friends, no enemies. You are acting as the servant to the country. You are working for the country. I hear some of the voices saying that, okay, we have acted against people. We are very confident that people are with us. We will not do anything that would be anti-people. You know, we are on the path of duty, and this is our bounden duty to do something for the country if we feel that is correct. And the Prime Minister in his wisdom has decided to crack down on black economy because that was his mandate, the mandate against corruption. So he is living up to the mandate. Okay, there could be problems here and there. We do admit.
So why hasn't he got the
could
money
be
from the Swiss
inconveniences.
banks?
So we are very confident that
Here
people
and
also
there.
people also will support
Shama
us.
has a question.
Despite
Shama, you can
inconveniences.
ask your question to
They are not
Sudesh.
They are not going to be swayed by Congress
Yeah, so
propaganda.
if-
They are not going to be
supporting,
swayed by
but
Congress
they
propaganda.
they want things to be done in an orderly fashion.
We support you.
Large parts
Mr.
of the
Verma,
country,
Mr.
they've
Verma,
done-
Renu Sharma
why
wants to
haven't
come
you
and
got
then
the
I'll
promise
come
what the
Large
Prime
parts
Minister
of the
made to
country,
us?
they've not
He
gone.
said he would get
Support the
the
country.
black
What
money
support
and
the
give 15
country?
lakhs to
Come
each
on
one
this
of us.
street, help the
What
people.
about the black money in the
Come
Swiss
on this
banks?
street and help the people. Support
What
the
about
country.
the black
country
money in the
needs your
Swiss
support.
banks, Mr. Verma? Can you answer that question?
Because
What about the black money in the
That
Swiss
you have
banks?
taken away
That
from
is the
there,
promise
that will also
PM made.
come. Don't worry.
when he was
Don't worry.
campaigning.
I know that you are challenging us. That you
That
hidden
will
it
come
somewhere.
when?
Where will
When
find
you
it?
helped
We
Vijay
all know
Mallya to
about
get
that.
out of the
What you have
country,
done from
how will it
2011
come?
to 2014, what you have done? You did not set up the SIT.
Forget
Because
about
you
what
knew
we
that
have
the
done or
moment
what
you
we
set up
haven't done. The
SIT,
question
you
is
would
not
be able
that.
to take money
What
from
about
Swiss
PM's
bank. That is
promise
why
of
you have
getting the
taken it
black
and
money from
sent it to
Swiss
some other
bank
source.
accounts?
We'll discover that.
The
Don't
Panama
worry, we'll find that
Papers.
also.
Why do
Now
you go
talk
after
about black
small
money inside
fish?
the
Go
country.
after the big
That is the
fish.
issue.
The big fish are just left scot-free.
Yeah, big
Why
fish is
don't
the
you go after
Congress.
the
We
big
know that-
fish, not
we
the
know
small
that Congress
fish?
is the
It's
big
only
fish.
I think what is
6%.
actually happening-
6% of black money in cash. You have to understand that. He does not have
Why are
answers,
you worried?
Tarun. That's what is
Why
the
are you
problem.
worried?
That's why
I think the
continuously
debate is
going on the
going
same
well.
tangent.
Out of
Yes,
time.
no,
Shama,
yes.
Renu, Sudesh, thank you, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on today's discussion. See, as it is said, or as Steve Jobs said, and let me reiterate and repeat, that it's bitter tasting pill, but the patient needed it. It has to be followed up, as the Prime Minister hinted, by reforms in real estate, where black money also exists. We'll track this issue for you on News World India. Thank you so much for joining us on this debate today. Thank you.